is the man right here.
Well, I'm not the man, you're the man. Now here we go, man. Hooked up the Tesla, got it laying on the ground. Did the full airlift 3P. Joey knocked out the hard lines and all the display in the trunk. I did all the suspension work. And here it is, man. It's pretty sweet. Woo. Lays super hard in the dirt, smashing the mud flaps and stuff.
Pop that frunk for him. Damn.
Came out pretty cool. I love it. First one I've done, so third one here at the shop. First one for me. I don't even like Tesla, but this thing's badass.
Look at that. We won him over. We won him over. Yeah, this thing is laying hard. So what do you guys specialize in here? What are you doing here?
Everything, minor custom to full custom, new, old, import, domestic, whatever. We'll cut it up. That's for sure.
What do you guys got working on right now?
This Lincoln going right
Woo!
here. Impala SS up there. Bronco long travel. I mean, you name it, we got it all in here.
You guys got everything in here.
Mini trucks in the corner, we got it all.
Oh, take me to the mini truck. I gotta bring it back to my roots. Oh.
This is Izzy's Tacoma.
Sick.
It's getting a bunch of back half right now. I'm pretty sure that's the next step for it. So
sick.
Heck yeah.
I'm definitely a mini truck fan. You can tell. All this.
This one too.
Sick. Little C notch.
Bagged on 24s.
Woo! These two guys always building something. So where are you guys located? Where is this place? Where are we?
Las Vegas, Nevada. I don't know, Westwood Drive or something.
How do you get here?
I just work here.
GPS.
I don't know where this place is.
Well, these guys are amazing. They knocked this out in what, 5 days?
When did you drop it off? Tuesday?
Yeah, what day did I? You're supposed to know these
days.
things.
Yeah, 3 days.
3 days, I'm tripping. 3 days, guys, they did it all. There's the, amazing. You guys need work done. You talk to this guy, you talk to all these guys. Best in Vegas.
Yeah.
And this guy over here too. Some of them are shy, it's okay. Hey.
That's your high preset, so that's going to be any of your speed bumps and shit.
Okay.
Huge.
Wait, what button did you hit?
The one right over there, the one blinking.
Yeah.
And then your airlift button if you hit your center once it all calms down. That's drive mode.
Cool.
For normal driving. And then I got the low look for you with the one under airlift.
Yep. Here's my finger. Yeah, we're on the ground. It will not go any lower. You can see there's the front lip hitting. We're laying body. Universal air struts. Absolutely killed the fucking game. Fab Lab. Murdered it. Buy air compressors. Shout out bag riders. Shout out all the haters. We fucking did it.